alternator went out and the tractor. When you're out here, you want to make sure you got a full tank. And you turn your reefer on to continuous so it stays on. And the only way to get back, anything else when the alternator goes out, you have a matter of time before it shuts off because it's all on computers. When you have a refrigerator unit, you go ahead and jump it off of the refrigerator unit on the battery and jump it over, and that'll get you back to the shop to get another alternator. While it's doing that, leave it on so it charges the batteries. Up the back end. All this is pretty tight. So once you get that set, you want to put it through this twine here. is a 12.9, so it's charging up this battery and mine. So everything's working good now. Got my alternator back. That's how you can get it home without replacing the alternator. Eventually it'll be just where you are looking to see a shop or something that they'll get an alternator. If not, you get a tow truck, because once you run out of juice, you can't start it. You're pretty well done. You're dead on the road. It's really hard at nighttime because it takes longer to charge the batteries back up. And at daytime, you get the lights off. It really helps. But I filmed a lot of wrecks, a lot of accidents in Wyoming last night. Problems go on. Alright, I left the reefer on. Now you can see how you can go down the road without an alternator. Well, the battery's pretty well charged up on the drive. I did that in Iowa. Coming in, the alternator went out. But it's pretty well the rig. They got the post right on the back, and that's hooks up to the batteries in the tractor. Then you set it up in a way where once you turn it, it goes with the whole harness. And that's the right way to get it home. The other ones, flatbeds and dry vans, they got problems when their alternator goes out, but this here is a V4 diesel engine, and it's got a big alternator on it. And you got 4 batteries. I got doubles, so I got 8 batteries in this truck. So you got a lot to use on the battery before it goes all the way to the alarms going off. And I'm just showing you that you don't need to stress too much once this happens to you a couple times. But stuff like that, you should get a tow truck or you drive to the shop if you have opening. And then once you shut off, it's dead when the alternator goes out. So it's a big problem for commercial vehicles. It's getting it back on the road again. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the slot where the landing gear is on there. That looks pretty good. Well, the last thing would be taking the line to charge the battery up. I put a suicide knob halfway from the handle, and that works out pretty good. Sure, it gets dirty, but using this, you can see a lot of guys have problems, and I choke it up, and it really works out pretty good, especially on high speed. See how fast it goes. You can really spin it pretty good. If not, you got this that's long and it takes you a while. So that's why if you see suicide knobs sold in truck stops, well, I'm using it on the steering wheel, which I do, but I actually use it on the landing gear too. I haven't seen anybody really do it this way, but I've done this for years, and it really is nice. As you can see how fast that was to bring it down. Main thing is you can see all the readings on the alternator, 13.2. Drawing about 10 amps, and it was about 26 it was charging, and if you disconnect it's about 3 amps, and with everything running with my lights, it's about 10. So it's really not doing anything hard on the alternator and the reefer. So that's a good way to get it home and get it back to the shop. It's cheaper. Plus, when you get to other places, different dealerships, usually you're in line waiting for service because everybody else needs help too. Especially in February, it's really hard. Disconnect, then you're using the battery, and I got about 44 miles to get back. Everything looks good. Disconnect. And I'll do all this stuff at the yard when it comes to disconnecting here. Well, once I get to the yard, I'll go ahead and take all this off. But it's all about disconnecting the umbilical cord of power. And it's just off the battery here in the reefer. Simple plus and minus, red and black. That works out pretty good. And then I just put it on here, and that'll get me home. And then once I get there, get in the shop, and then I'll take all this off and coil it back up with the side box. And that way you can see the different responsibilities out here when you're the boss. And you gotta make sure you bring it home. It's a lot cheaper doing it that way. It costs so much on the road, even for an alternator and service when you have your own shop. And that's it. I'm gonna get out of here.